Are you curious about textured art and abstract paintings, but haven't really felt confident enough to try it on your own? Well, this is your invitation to join me in my next live workshop where we explore a variety of texture mediums and even organic textures and how I use them in my approach to creating abstract art. It's a 5-day live workshop, $25 for the whole week. You get my written process, and all of the classes are yours to keep. You get to go over them as many times as you want, review. There's no rush here. Explore, take time to go deeper down one and see what really grabs you. You're going to take all of this and align it with your own artistic methods and things that speak to you so you can create your unique abstract textured paintings that, in a sense, tell the story of you. And that's what we are going for. You don't need any experience here. We're going to experiment and explore together, and you'll see what speaks to you, what doesn't. And then you take all of that and you go down your path and bring in colors that you just have to have in your art. And all of that is going to come together to create something meaningful and personal that only you can create. So come join us September 29th to October 3rd, and let's see where you can go with this.